Question number 5 of this exercise says that the following table gives the lifetimes of 400 neon lamps. Lifetime in hours has been given and number of lamps associated with each class interval is also given to us. We have to represent the given information with the help of a histogram, and then we have to find how many lamps have a lifetime of more than 700 hours. So we will begin with the representation of the given information, which is with the help of a histogram. So the histogram looks like this. So in this graph we have taken the lifetime in hours on the x-axis and the number of lamps on the y-axis. We have chosen a scale of 1 unit to be equal to 10 lamps for the y-axis. And on the x-axis we have maintained equal widths for each of the bars, and their length is with respect to the frequency associated with each class interval. Now we can see that there is a kink or a break on the x-axis. Now that is because the class intervals on this x-axis does not start from 0, but it starts from 300. So the kink or the break on the x-axis represents the missing class intervals or a discontinuity. So now we had to find how many lamps have got lifetime more than 700 hours. So these three are the bars which represent lifetime of more than 700 hours, and the frequency for each of them was 74, 62 and 48. So we'll add them all. So that is 74 plus 62 plus 48 gives us 184 lamps. So 184 lamps have got, neon lamps have got a lifetime of more than 700 hours.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.